Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Ripple Ledger and XRP. Ripple and the XRP cryptocurrency were born with a specific purpose: to modernize and simplify the current international monetary exchange system. How many times have we heard the abbreviation SWIFT? Well, we are talking about the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, which has been operating for 50 years now. The system devised by this company is responsible for the movement of currencies between banks scattered all over the globe. As it is easy to understand, this is an infrastructure that plays a key role in the world economy. However, the SWIFT circuit has a major limitation, which has become increasingly evident over the years: inefficiency. A sum of money can stop at several banks before reaching its destination, leading to waste of money, energy, and time. Not to mention the often incomplete transparency, so much so that one wonders from which hands the money for a given transaction has passed. Here we come to Ripple, the blockchain world's answer to the issues just written. In this in-depth analysis, we will answer questions such as: what is Ripple? What is Ripple for? And how does Ripple work? We will obviously also highlight the critical points that raise more than one red flag on the project. In early 2011, computer engineers David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito became interested in Bitcoin. Still, they were driven by creating a more sustainable system for sending value without the mining factor. Hence, in June 2012, they launched the XRP Ledger and, subsequently joined by angel investor Chris Larsen, started the company NewCoin, which was soon renamed OpenCoin, before finally settling on Ripple. XRP Ledger. What is Ripple for? Ripple Ledger is a payment network designed to serve the financial sector and which aims to replace the inefficient SWIFT. This blockchain is the main infrastructure of Ripple, commonly identified with the name of the company. We will also do it in the course of the article. XRPL is open source, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants to develop solutions based on it. In addition, the network is energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Ripple's operation is based on a peer-to-peer mechanism that connects various independent servers. These process the transactions and compare the data available to ensure that everything is correct and free from manipulation. The use of metadata is the key. It would not be possible to pass a malicious operation because it does not agree with the previous status. The peculiarity of Ripple lies in the fact that there is no mining process or coin stake. The competitive component typical of many consensus algorithms is completely eliminated. XRP is often viewed differently from any other cryptocurrency. Some do not consider XRP as a cryptocurrency at all, and this is because it has a governance protocol that does not require either proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, mining. Instead, it uses the RPCA system without relying on mining to validate transactions like other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, BTC. The Ripple protocol verifies transactions and maintains the integrity of the network through a system of trusted validators. If users want to obtain XRP through mining, they must mine other cryptocurrencies like BTC or Ether, ETH, first, then swap the mined coin or token for XRP through an exchange. Users should be cautious when they see recommendations on how to mine XRP, as they are most likely scams. The XRP Ledger blockchain offers the possibility of creating your own server, which is an ideal solution for those who use it often and with large volumes. As we said, Ripple was born with the aim of replacing the SWIFT system, now aged and unsuitable for the times. The idea behind the project is simple. Instead of passing a certain amount through several banks, as happens today, we take advantage of the blockchain and make everything leaner, safer, and cheaper. If Bank A were to transfer an amount to Bank B, it would be enough to convert the amount into XRP, the native coin of Ripple. Then everything would be sent via blockchain. Upon receipt, Bank B would only need to convert XRP back into the original currency, or another of their choice. This system offers three considerable advantages. The funds arrive at their destination in seconds. Commissions have negligible costs, not comparable to traditional circuits. There are some reservations on this point. We will come back. Transparency is ensured thanks to the traceability offered by the blockchain. Even if in reality there is not much to trace, the sum passes directly from A to B. Although Ripple has banks as its natural customer, the fact remains that private individuals can also exploit its potential. However, there is a lot of competition. The arrival of solutions such as the Lightning Network, the layer 2 of Bitcoin, puts XRPL in difficulty as regards the retail sector. What is XRP? XRP is Ripple's cryptocurrency token, which is used to transfer funds across borders at a low cost, trustlessly and instantly. Its primary use is to serve as a bridge currency to offer financial institutions a more cost-effective way to exchange both crypto and fiat currencies. However, bridging assets with XRP may carry risks for financial institutions dependent on the Ripple network to supply the necessary transfer liquidity. Using XRP and other cryptocurrencies for transfers is even riskier when considering their volatility, which does not make them suitable units of exchange. Ripple's selling point for XRP has always been its minimal transaction fees and transactions quick settlement status. The minimum transaction cost required by the network for a standard trade is 0.00002 XRP. Another advantage of XRP is its scalability, with 1,500 transactions per second, and its inherently green attributes that make it carbon neutral and energy efficient. XRP is premium, meaning that many of the tokens were created or mined before the project was launched to the public. The company has always assured that the premium solution was necessary to reward the project's founders, developers and early investors. The supply is 100 billion specimens. There is no currency creation mechanism. Every XRP has already been minted. As for the distribution, it is currently broken down as follows. 5.8 billion XRP is held by Ripple. 43.4 billion specimens are instead deposited as collateral. The remaining 50.8 billion coins are in circulation. We have seen all the pros of Ripple, but even with it there are some criticisms to make. Here are some examples. The sale of XRP was reported in dollars instead of XRP. In doing so, the calculation of inflation is not immediate. Use of volume data taken from CoinMarketCap, very pumped and therefore inaccurate. Calculating the percentage of Ripple's sale on these numbers leads to underestimating their significance. Today, this problem has partially disappeared due to some changes made by the famous crypto analysis portal. The company's XRP sales are not all adequately reported. We must consider that Ripple is a decidedly centralized network. There are few validators and a good part, in any case less than half, is somehow linked to the company. It is true that there is no obligation to adopt those proposed, but the initial conditions are not excellent. Turning to the XRP coin, the main problem has already been raised. Ripple can sell tokens and manipulate the supply. The shadow points mentioned above help to generate some concern on the subject. However, the most significant con of Ripple lies in its usefulness. The idea behind it is undoubtedly valid, and the two main solutions proposed, XCurrent and XRapid, are proof of this. However, many banks are starting to look at stablecoins, whether they are issued by companies like Tether or created by central authorities. Thank you all so much for watching. We want to remind you to support us by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video. Take care and keep exploring.